Our mega coverage of the Lok Sabha elections, the phase 2 of the Lok Sabha election continues. And in fact, Times Network also caught up with BJP's Udhampur candidate Jitendra Singh, who cast his vote today. Now, speaking to my colleague Pradeep, Jitendra Singh hit out at the Congress over inheritance tax. Further, he also exuded confidence that the Prime Minister will get re-elected for the third straight term. Listen in.
What actually were the message you were trying to send to the others?
No, absolutely not any message. Actually, we've been groomed like that, and particularly each member or each Karyakarta of the Bharatiya Janata Party, who's been actually groomed through the grill of Bharatiya Janata Party, Shikshan Prashikshan, has this embedded in his mind that there is no sense of entitlement as far as a citizen is concerned, regardless of whatever position we hold. And that's why in our Sangathan, we don't call it a position or a pad, we call it a Zimmevari or a Daitya. So regardless of whatever you are a citizen and you are a Karyakarta.
Congress used to say that almost BJP is wiped out in South in first phase. How you see the second phase and how you see the first?
So I think what is contrary to what they are saying is the fact that Rahul Gandhi himself is evading his election in Wayanad. So I think that itself speaks evidence.
And Sam Pitroda sending a farman of the inheritance tax from sitting in United States of America, and Congress also parroting the same line.
No, Sam Pitroda has been known to be a Rajguru of the Gandhi family for many decades now, right from the days of Rajiv Gandhi. And even in the last election, 2019, he came and tried to create some kind of confusion over here. But behind this, of course, on the one hand, academically, if you see, the inheritance tax is quite alien to the democratic values, also quite alien to the Indian ethos, the Indian culture and civilization, the Indian family system in place. But at the same time, there also seems to be a political design behind it to carry forward that approach of appeasement which has been followed by the Congress party for more than half a century. And Sam Pitroda is trying to articulate the same. But now that he's got exposed, they're trying to go on the back foot, but the people are quite aware of the design and the intention behind.